When the Malaysian monsoon hits, rising muddy water transforms calm residential streets into dangerous, fast-moving rivers within minutes. This photo from Monsoon shows how quickly normal infrastructure collapses. Vehicles are submerged, and the streets you rely on daily become entirely impassable. The scale of these floods often isolates entire communities. Critical facilities like this school complex become islands surrounded by brown water, accessible only by boat. Navigating these conditions requires a specific strategy. Today, we are constructing a waterproof emergency survival kit and an evacuation plan designed for the realities of Malaysian flooding. Having this kit pre-assembled provides a foundation for your family's immediate safety, helping you avoid the chaos of searching for supplies as water enters the home. The foundational container must be durable and mobile. A sturdy, fully waterproof dry bag or a sealed plastic bin ensures your supplies remain dry while you are wading to safety. For hydration, pack at least 3 liters of water per person per day. Include water purification tablets as a necessary backup should your bottled supply run low. Your food supply should consist entirely of non-perishable items that require no cooking, such as canned tuna, tins of baked beans, and high-calorie energy bars. However, these supplies are useless without a way to open them. A manual can opener is a critical tool, often overlooked until it is too late. Securing your baseline water and food needs first prevents the physical crisis of being stranded without a viable source of energy. For basic problem solving, your kit needs a few mechanical essentials: a basic multi-tool, heavy-duty duct tape, and thick garbage bags for waste or temporary repairs. If the power grid fails at night, you will need an LED flashlight with extra batteries for navigation and a whistle to signal for assistance. Communication gear is your link to the outside world. This diagram shows how a portable AM/FM radio receives emergency broadcasts, while a charged power bank keeps your mobile device functional. These tools bridge the gap between isolation and information, allowing you to monitor water levels and follow official instructions from local authorities. Maintaining visibility and access to external information is as vital to your survival as your physical nourishment during a prolonged power outage. Your medical supplies should include standard first aid items like paracetamol and antiseptic wipes, along with a clear surplus of any personal daily medications. Because post-flood environments are prone to infection and insects, you must also include waterproof plasters and mosquito repellent to guard against waterborne illness and dengue. Beyond physical health, you must secure your vital documents, including identification cards, birth certificates, and land titles, plus a supply of emergency cash. To protect these papers from water damage, double bag them in heavy-duty Ziploc bags, pressing the air out before sealing them to ensure a tight, waterproof fit. You should also pack 1 lightweight, quick-drying change of clothes and a rain poncho inside a dedicated waterproof bag for each family member. Protecting your health from waterborne illness and securing your legal records helps preserve the basic requirements for navigating the recovery process once the flood recedes. A physical kit is only effective when paired with an operational strategy. Establish 2 meeting points, one nearby for immediate assembly and one on higher ground. Assign specific responsibilities to each family member. Decide now who is responsible for the kit, the pets, and securing the home to eliminate confusion during a move. Knowing your destination reduces stress. At a designated relief point, expect an organized environment with shelter and privacy tents provided by agencies like NADMA. During an active evacuation, stay calm interacting with rescue personnel. As seen here, they are trained to assist you and your supplies into transport safely. A perfectly packed kit is a tool, but a coordinated and practiced human strategy is what ensures that tool is used effectively. Store your finished kit on a top shelf or upper floor to keep it safely above early rising floodwaters. Readiness requires maintenance. Set a recurring 6-month reminder to check expiration dates on food, water, and medications to ensure your kit remains viable. This completed Malaysian flood kit is now ready. Every item here has a specific purpose, designed to mitigate the risks of the monsoon season. Disaster preparedness is a continuous state of readiness. By assembling this kit and practicing your plan, you have significantly improved your family's ability to navigate the challenges of the monsoon safely.